8 years ago, I was going to work every day and hating every minute of it. And you know what's funny? It was my company. And you know what else? I declared personal bankruptcy that same year. Yeah. Now I can't blame anyone but myself for this failure, but it taught me without passion for your idea or business, things can go very bad very quickly. Now in 2015, we had a box of coats stolen from our doorstep. That box of coats was meant for our nonprofit Survive the Streets, which helps the homeless here in Seattle. Now, as you would guess, I was pretty pissed off when I found we'd been victims of package theft. It was for the homeless. But that theft changed my life. It gave me an idea that could help deter packages from being stolen off of your doorstep. It was a start of Package Guard and finding creative methods with little money to get an idea off the ground. Hello there. I'm Mike Grabham, and I've been lucky enough to experience failure and success over the last 20 years. The School of Hard Knocks and a roller coaster ride of being a six-time founder has taught me how to get an idea in front of a customer using very little money and still reducing the risk of failure. Now I believe ideas matter. Ideas change people's lives. Ideas change the way people live. Ideas can change an entire generation and create opportunities where they just didn't exist before. Now take Marian Trezzalo. In 1962, he invented the Happy Pan. What's the Happy Pan? Well, the Happy Pan is a pan with Teflon. And Teflon changed how people cooked around the world. In 2006, Tom's Shoes was started by Blake McCoskey. Now he started the buy one, give one model. When they sell a pair of shoes, they give away a pair to others in need in third world countries. And in 2014, Bombas Socks was started in New York. When they sell a pair of socks, they donate another pair to nonprofits. Now all of these people took action and changed other people's lives that made lives better for others and ultimately for themselves. So imagine how you would feel if your idea was being used by 100,000 people right now. How would you feel? Would that change your life any? Would it change the lives of people around you? I'm going to guess it probably would. Now, over the last several years, I have coached and consulted with many people to make their ideas a reality. But there is one story I love to share. It's about Sarah. Now, Sarah's a single mom of 2 young boys. She has a full-time job and just barely keeps her bills paid. But Sarah had an idea. She had an idea that could help local salons and barbershops get more business. So I worked with her on her idea, and within just a couple months, we had her first customer. And within 2 more months, we had several customers. Now, fast forward 6 months, and she tells me she'll be quitting her day job and go full-time on her side project. Yeah. I bet, as sure as I'm sitting here right now, that in 1 year, she'll be making more money and helping more people than she ever thought possible. When people take action on their ideas, it changes people's lives. Now, I'm not going to say it's easy, because it's not easy, and it wasn't for Sarah, and it's rarely easy for anyone, but it can be done. It can be done with help, with effort, and with passion for your idea. Now, I'm guessing some of you are saying, I think I have a great idea, but I don't have thousands of dollars that's needed to get it started. Well, here's the deal. You rarely need $1,000 to launch an idea. You need passion, you need a good idea, and a system to test and learn, like the new Idea to Customer course. Now, Sarah spent less than $400 to get her idea started. But she also spent many hours working on her idea, talking to customers, making changes, and finally putting out a service that could be used. Now, her first version wasn't perfect, but it did get her started on a life-changing journey. I believe that whether your idea is still on a napkin, is sitting in your garage, whether you have been working on it for a week, a month, or a year, or whether you're young or old, that with a little help and a commitment from you and a belief in yourself, you can be just like Sarah. The new Idea to Customer course is a 7-week course that has assignments each week and is led by me in several video courses. Now, we also have live weekly coaching sessions that can answer questions and provide the feedback. Now there's a limited number of seats in this course, so every person can get what is needed to move their idea forward. That is why everyone must complete an application and have a short 5 to 10 minute phone call with me. Now I don't care about your resume. I don't care what country you live in or what you've done in the past. It's not important. What I do care about is your idea. Because my goal is simple: to get your idea in front of customers. But I can't do anything without your effort and your brain power. So that's it. If you have an idea that you think can make the world a better place, I want to help. So hit the apply button below and fill out your application. It will take you 3 to 4 minutes. So let's get started changing your life and the lives of your customers. I look forward to meeting you online. Take care. Have an amazing day.